Hey, did you go anywhere last holiday?
Yes, I went to the beach with my family.
Wow, that sounds fun. Where was it?
It was in Goa, near the sea.
Oh, nice. I love beaches.
Me too. The water was so blue.
Did you swim in the sea?
Yes, but only for a short time.
Was it cold?
A little, but it felt great.
Did you make sand castles?
Yes, my sister made a big one.
What did you do there all day?
We swam, walked, and ate yummy food.
That sounds perfect. What did you eat?
Mostly seafood, fish, prawns, and rice.
Yum. I love seafood.
Yes, everything was fresh and delicious.
Did you stay in a hotel?
Yes, a small one near the beach.
Was it nice?
Yes, very clean and comfortable.
Did you take photos?
Of course, I took many pictures.
I love taking photos on trips too.
Yes, photos keep our memories alive.
Did you buy anything from Goa?
Yes, some shells and a hat.
That's cute. I collect things from trips.
Really? What do you collect?
I collect magnets from every place I visit.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
Do you like traveling by car or train?
I like trains more. They feel relaxing.
Yes, I like looking out the window.
Me too. The view is always beautiful.
What about airplanes?
Have you flown before?
Not yet, but I really want to.
Oh, it's so exciting the first time.
I hope I can try one day.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to visit the mountains.
Oh, nice. I love cold places.
Yes, I want to see snow someday.
That would be amazing.
Yes, and drink hot chocolate there.
Do you travel every year?
Usually once a year with my family.
That's good. Trips make life happy.
Yes, new places give new memories.
Do you like traveling with friends too?
Yes, but family trips feel special.
I agree. Family time is always best.
Do you like long trips or short ones?
Long trips. I like staying for days.
Haha, me too. I don't like rushing.
Yes, it's better to enjoy slowly.
True, travel is not about hurry.
Okay, I must go now.
Sure, are you going somewhere again soon?
Maybe next month if I get holidays.
Nice, let's go together next time.
That would be fun. Let's plan it.
Okay, deal. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a happy day.